No, we have to get the iMac box in it.
I am the iMac box.
What is this?
Okay. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Areejz and I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Today's video is so exciting. Okay, well, I'm very excited. You guys should be excited too. Anyways, so I recently ordered an iMac because we're in lockdown in New South Wales. We have been for the last like month and a half. Is it gonna end? I mean, I hope so, but the time is ticking, people. Anyways, so because we're in lockdown and all of my university classes are all online, I decided that I need to get 2 screens. My dad, well, he was the one who told me. He was like, you need 2 screens. And I was like, no, I don't. Except now I realize that maybe he was right, but I will never tell him. I will never tell him that he was right. Because if I tell him that he was right, then he will never let me live it down. He will never let me live it down. We're not gonna have that. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you never miss when I upload. Also, remember to follow me on all of my socials. Links will be in the description down below. So anywho, I ordered it like 3 weeks ago and it finally came today. Wait, I'm gonna get it. Okay. It's here. Oh, I can't carry it. Wait, ow, don't fall. Okay. I should probably go to the gym. Look, like I said in my previous videos, me and manual labor, we are not friends.
3 hours later.
Okay, wait, I picked it up. So as you can see, I got the pink one because pink is my favorite color. So duh. Anyways, so I thought, wait, let me put this down. I'll put this down. I thought that it would be a really fun idea to show you guys how I set it up. Maybe you guys are really into technology. I don't know. But yeah, I thought it'd be really fun. Maybe you're interested in getting it. Maybe you just want to see what it looks like. So let's get into it. Okay, so when I said let's get into it, I also kind of lied because I'm gonna go get my baby brother. He's not a baby, but I call him my baby brother anyways. Because he's good with technology and all that stuff. So yeah, he's gonna help me. Also, look, I injured my nail. Yeah, I have a little boo-boo, but it's pink and it has really cute like love hearts. So pretty. Okay, so now we're going to actually set it up and I'm going to get my brother.
Okay, but first we have to unwrap all the stuff.
Okay, we're gonna do that first and then we will.
Yeah.
I'm shy. Okay, so this is my brother.
Hi.
Clearly, I got the looks in this family.
Sorry.
Get out of my frame. I'm joking. That was actually mean. Come.
Hi. I don't know what's going on.
He's gonna help me do my iMac.
Okay.
You're gonna help me.
This is how I'm at.
Get to it. Listen, I am a very generous sister. I'm letting him do the ASMR satisfying things. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You are very welcome.
I love my sister so much. Okay. Definitely.
Okay, opening it? Okay.
Just pull this off. Alright, there you go.
Open the box. Perfect. Okay, so now let's get into actually like opening the box. So we unboxed it. I'm just gonna put this on my desk and then we'll get to setting it up. The money shot, y'all. Ooh, this is like a pad. That's a very weird thing to say, Areejz. Hello. Wait, is that Melania Trump, that meme?
Yes.
That you
Hello. Ready?
Ready?
Oh my goodness. Oh wait, there's more. Woo! Wait, not me almost breaking my stuff. So as you guys can see, the back of this monitor, it is red and the front of it is pink. It's very pretty. I kind of like the contrast. I saw a lot of people like complaining that they didn't like that it was pink and red, but I think it's kind of cute. And besides, like, you're not really gonna see the red if it bothers you, so I thought that I was excited before. Guys! That was very loud. I'm so sorry. It's pink. The cable. I'm obsessed. Guys, and look how cute the color of this keyboard is. It's like a rose gold. It's so stunning. I thought that I was very much impressed with the cables being pink. So you know how they always give you those like silver stickers like whenever you buy anything from Apple? They have them, but they have them in this, I think it's supposed to be like rose gold, but it's kind of like bronzy color, but it's still cute. It's mad cute. And they have it in red too. I'm so obsessed. It's like just the packaging and the attention to detail. It's just perfect. So while my brother is helping,
Hi.
and by helping I mean doing everything, here's some ASMR. Wait, that wasn't that ASMR-ish. Oops. My bad. It's in action. Guys, look, Zaki, move your head. Hola. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed. Also, lol, isn't it obvious that my favorite color is pink? I don't know. Looks like it might be blue. So with the iMac that I got, I opted to get the Magic Keyboard with the Touch ID, which I just thought was really helpful because I have the Touch ID on my laptop and it's just what I'm used to. So I'm just gonna set that up now. Okay, so I just finished setting up my computer. I'm now just going to be adding some apps like Google Chrome, which is just an essential for me. Okay, so if anyone was interested in the specifics of my model, I have the 2021 24-inch iMac in pink, obviously. My one has the 8-core GPU, 8-core CPU. I got mine with the 256 gigabytes of storage. I just thought that was enough for me. It's 4.5K Retina display. Mine comes with 2 Thunderbolt, which is the USB 4 ports, and 2 of the USB 3 ports. The reason I opted to get the model with the 4 ports is because I just thought that it would be better in the long run. I mean, I don't know, maybe I might need the extra ports. At this point, I don't know if I do, but I'd rather just have them just in case. One thing to keep in mind is that if you are getting the new iMac, much like the new MacBook Pros and everything, it is fitted with USB-C ports. So if you do need to connect to an original USB size, you will need an adapter. You'll also need an adapter for SD cards, memory cards, all of those things. So that's just something to keep in mind. I really like the sleek look of this iMac though. On the left side under here, there is a traditional headphone jack, so you guys can always just put in your headphones and listen to your music or watch a video, which I like because on the phones they got rid of the normal and regular headphone port, which is a little bit annoying, but whatever. So I thought they might have the same situation on here, but actually no, it isn't a lightning cable, it is just the traditional headphone port, headphone jack, headphone port, whichever. So my model comes with the Magic Keyboard with the Touch ID and a mouse. You could always opt to get the trackpad, but I just personally wanted a mouse. I don't know, I just wanted it. It was just my preference. I mean, maybe later on I might get the trackpad, but at this point I just thought I like the mouse and it comes with the package, so why not? One cool thing about the new iMac is that if you have an iPad, which I do have right here, which is also dead at this moment, but if you have an iPad, you can use it as a second screen to your Mac. It's called sidecarring. That's something cool and fun that you can do. Another really cool thing about this iMac is that it comes with these new desktop settings, which are already preloaded on the computer, obviously, called dynamic backgrounds. And basically what they do is they change time throughout the day. So I'll show you guys like just an example. So as you can see, I chose this image. It's just of a mountain going into the water. It just reminds me of Cape Town, which is where I was born. So I was like, I like that one. So basically throughout the day, it will change time. So at 12 p.m. in the afternoon, it'll be sunny. Right now in Sydney, it is 4:25 in the afternoon. So looking back here at 7 p.m. tonight, it'll be really dark. Like it'll be nighttime, which I think is really, really cool. I will say though that I do like the original wallpaper that it just came with, like the standard wallpaper. I think it's so cute, and it's really cool because you can always change it. So you can have the purple one, the blue one, the yellow one. It's all on the computer already. And I think Apple wallpapers are always pretty cute, and they're always really good quality as well. Another thing that I really like about this computer is that its mission control system is much like the iPhones. So you can adjust the brightness of the display, you can adjust the volume, your music, everything is right there. Super easy screen mirroring. Do not disturb, everything is right there. It's easy, it's accessible. It also comes with Hey Siri, which is really fun. Oh, it also went on my phone and my watch all at the exact same time. The new iMacs also come with Apple Pay, so I don't know if that's a blessing or if it's a curse. We will see. We will see. But I do think that it's super handy, and it's just really convenient to have it on your computer. Another thing to keep in mind is that when you get your mouse, initially the right click doesn't work. So what you have to do is just go into settings. I'll show you guys how to do it now, and you can just opt to turn on the right click function. To also test out the photo booth that is on the new iMac, I want to test out the sound and the image quality. So let's do that. Okay, so straight away, hi, you can see yourself. Look how good this quality is. Wow guys, this is very impressive. Okay, let's go let's put on film. Let's try an effect. I have to do like the heart struck. Who would I be if I did not choose the pink filter? Exactly. Okay, so let's test out the sound. Hi everyone, I'm Areejz and welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's hear how that sounds. Hi everyone, I'm Areejz and welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's hear how that sounds. So as you guys can see, the sound quality is really good, the image quality is really good, and that's on Photo Booth. I am very impressed, Apple. So for anyone wondering why I chose to get the new iMac as opposed to just getting a separate monitor or whatever else, the reason I chose to get this iMac is because one, video editing, I thought it would be a lot easier on my computer. That way I can just transfer my videos straight to my computer, just straight on there, edit my videos, and it'll all be there. Another reason that I chose to get this computer specifically is because it does edit in 4K and 8K videos, which just in the long run, I think will be a lot more beneficial, and you'll get, what's the word? You'll get more bang for your buck? Is that the saying? I don't know. Anyways, regardless, you'll get more for your money. So I just thought that in the long run, because it is a computer, I just thought it would be the most beneficial thing, and it's pink. I'm not gonna lie, that was honestly the biggest selling point for me. I was like, wow, it's pink, say less. So yes. Anyways guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was informative and just kind of fun. I was so excited to film this video. I mean, I was so excited when my package came. It literally came like 2 hours ago, and I was like, I'm gonna film. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. So I know that this video was mostly just a setup, but if you guys are interested in seeing a specific tool that is on this iMac, or if you want to see if it can do something in case maybe you're interested in buying it, or maybe you just want to see, just leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to make a separate video dedicated to those things. So I'm going to go download all of the applications that I need for uni. If you guys want to know what those applications are, feel free to check out my last video. It was how I get prepared for online classes and online university. It was a very informative video. So I'm just gonna go download all of these applications, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you never miss when I upload. Also, remember to follow me on all of my socials. Links will be in the description down below. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!